All right, I want to make a quick video on these hose bib covers. You use these in the winter to keep your hose bib from freezing. So it's always a good idea, of course, to turn the water off in the inside, and then you open up this just a little bit to allow the water to come out. So, you know, if it freezes, it doesn't burst your pipes. But this is a secondary, safety measure here. These are reusable. They're made of like a pretty durable material, almost like a coat type of material. They're also really thick or really deep. So if you had like a longer hose bib sticking out, you can put this on there. Now, this is a two-way retention. So it's basically, like a bag. So you put that over there and then you push this close to the house. And the idea is that you're basically insulating this. So you pull this drawstring pretty tight, and that's probably enough to hold it in there for the winter. But you also have the ability to use these straps as well. So you can wrap this around pretty tight. And what I would do is kind of push it underneath the part where you unscrew it or turn it on, and then put this on. And now what this will do is keep it from blowing off, right? And just make sure that it stays on there. The kit does come with two. Most people do have two hose bibs, but if you only have one, obviously then you just have a separate one. This is very cheap insurance, because if this thing pops, it's really bad. In the spring, you might have water either leaking inside your house or leaking out. Or if you don't do this, you can also just ruin all of the seals. And in the spring, when you go to use this thing, this will never turn off. It'll always be leaking. So you can see that's what someone did with this one particular. It always kind of leaks a little bit. That's probably because someone did not protect it from the elements. This is an unheated garage, but of course this will also be used outside my house as well. So these are definitely a good product to have if you have a house with a hose bib on the outside.